In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively redact content in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Zendesk account. Head over to the Zendesk website where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that, and then enter your credentials. This will take you directly into your Zendesk dashboard, where you can manage all your tickets. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the ticket that contains the information you need to redact. Take a moment to navigate through your dashboard and locate that specific ticket. This might take a few seconds, depending on how many tickets you have open or how your dashboard is organized. Now that you've found the ticket, you'll need to look for the exact message that contains the sensitive information. In the ticket conversation thread, there will be a small 3 dots icon, which is often referred to as the More Options icon. Click on that, and it will bring up additional actions you can take. Next, you'll want to highlight the specific text or numbers you wish to redact. To do this, simply click and drag your cursor over the text you want to permanently hide. Once you've highlighted it, you should see an option to mark text for redaction. Click on that to initiate the process. It's important to click Mark for Redaction a second time to confirm your choice. This step ensures you're absolutely certain about what you want to remove. Once you've marked the text, the next step is to apply the redaction. Click the Redact button. This is a critical step because it permanently deletes the highlighted text from the ticket history. Keep in mind that once this text is redacted, it can never be retrieved or viewed again. So take a moment to ensure you've marked everything correctly before you proceed. After the redaction is applied, you'll need to save your changes. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the option to Submit as Open. Go ahead and click that. This action will save your updated ticket and keep it active within your system. This ensures that your changes are reflected and the sensitive information is removed from the viewable ticket history. To recap, you started by logging into Zendesk, locating the ticket, marking the text for redaction, and finally applying and saving those changes. It's a relatively straightforward process, but incredibly important when it comes to protecting sensitive information in your customer support interactions. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to redact content in Zendesk. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving us a thumbs up. Your support allows us to continue creating useful content for you.